this video, we're going to show you how to buy the meme Harambe on Solana using Trust Wallet. First of all, we need Harambe's contract address, and I'll get that from the official Harambe place on X. I'll include a link to that in the video description along with the contract address, so you can copy it directly from there. Now open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile phone. If you need to purchase more cryptocurrencies such as Solana, simply click the buy button and follow the prompts that appear. When that's done, head over to the swap button and select it. First, choose the currency you want to use for the purchase. Next, we're going to choose this button. Paste the contract address you copied earlier to ensure it's the correct one. Only one coin should appear, so you can simply select it. Now you can enter the amount you want to buy and then click continue. Now you just have to wait, and your coin will soon arrive in your wallet. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.